Okay, welcome back to Monetizing Your Blog. In this video, we're going to be discussing how to find affiliate deals in your actual market or niche. And we're going to be discussing several places where you can go and actually look to find affiliate deals. So let's talk about the first one. And in order to do that, what I'm going to ask you to do, and I'm going to do it right here on screen with you, is to go to the search engines and to look up CPA networks. And here's how we're going to do that. We're going to just type in CPA networks into Google itself, and you'll probably see several different blog articles about that. And this is all you'll need to do to find, well, more than enough CPA networks in order to find an affiliate deal. Now, I'll show you how to do this. Here's one at the very top, and if you do this with your search results and it shows up that way, you can do the same thing. I'm going to click on this where it says Reviews of CPA Networks, Affiliate Programs, and Ad Networks. Now, if you see this, you'll notice that there are several different places for you to look and to click. And all of these networks are called cost per action or CPA networks. Within these networks are individual deals that you can find, that you can promote on your blog. What you'll need to do in each case is you'll need to go to the CPA network, in this case the EWA network. You'll need to then go to the EWA network. Now this is going to go to their payment area. You'll need to go to the join link. And in order to join the EWA network, you're going to have to go through an application process in order for them to accept you to their network, where you can find different offers for you to promote on your website. There is an application process, and what they're going to want to see, and we'll cover this in another video, and they're going to want to see your website address, and we'll go through that in the application or CPA application network video. Okay, so basically what we just did is we went to Google and we found an article about CPA networks. We then went to the actual blog article and we looked at one CPA network. You can do the very same thing from where you are. Now, the next place where we're going to take a look is called the Google Affiliate Network, and this is kind of an interesting. This is going to be an interesting article, place to look, because I'm going to pull up a web browser here. Google itself has an affiliate network, and so in order to find that affiliate network, I'm going to show you how to do that. You're just going to go to Google Affiliate Network, and you'll see that there is a Google Affiliate Network there. And you'll see that the Google Affiliate Network is for advertisers. Now, you would be a publisher because you publish your website. And what you're going to do is you're going to give the advertisers a place to advertise on your site. You want to find things that are niche specific, and you can do that by, again, Google is another affiliate network just like AWA that you'll need to go in and you'll need to apply for the individual deals. Okay, so that's the Google Affiliate Network, another place where you can find offers in order to promote. You can also go to a website called LinkShare. It's much like EWA and the Google Affiliate Network. You can go to overstock.com, and I'll show you that here in a minute here. We'll just take a look at Overstock. And what I like to do is to go straight there. I just type in overstock.com affiliate program. Actually, it did something I didn't want it to do. We're just going to type in affiliate program. Okay, so here is the overstock.com affiliate program. Let's take a look at that. Okay, now this is the actual affiliate area. Well, let's take a step back here. We're going to go to the affiliate program here. Okay, here's the Overstock affiliate program, and we're going to join the affiliate program. Now, when you get to the Overstock program, and it's going to be like some other sites that you see. The affiliate program at overstock.com is run by Commission Junction. We're going to talk about Commission Junction in a minute. So overstock.com does have an affiliate program, lots of products to promote. However, it does require that you join Commission Junction in order to participate. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind as we go through the rest of our networks here. Okay, now one of the more difficult programs to get into, obviously there are lots of products to promote at eBay. Now the disadvantage to using that on a site, now you need to be a little clever, is that the products change, obviously, and they're only available every seven days. No, you would not be sending someone direct to a product or to a particular product. In most cases, you would be sending them to a more general search. Okay, so eBay is a little more difficult, but it can be done, and you'll earn a commission on every sale that's made, as well as people who join eBay in order to buy or sell. Amazon. Now, probably one of the most well-known affiliate programs that there is the Amazon.com affiliate program. Now, Amazon is another place where you can find products to promote. And let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon.com. And just about any of these products that are available on Amazon.com, you can promote, and if someone buys them through your link, you'll get an actual commission. Kindles, Kindle Fire, or anything that's available on Amazon. So how do you join their affiliate program? What we're going to do is we're going to type in Amazon, and we're going to type in Associates. Amazon Associates, and here you'll see the Amazon Associates program front and center when you type in that search result. We're going to go ahead and type in, and we're going to join the Amazon Associates program. It is another network just like any other one, and you will need to make application. Now we'll talk about the application process in another video. Okay, so we talked about the Google affiliate network, we talked about CPA networks, we talked about Amazon, we talked about Linkshare and Overstock, and we've also talked about briefly Commission Junction. Now, Commission Junction probably has the largest network of affiliate programs that there are. You notice it had Overstock, and there are lots of other ones. Some of your bigger well-known stores such as Walmart have their affiliate program with Commission Junction, and so it depends on how you want to use the offers and the network on your particular site as to which one that you'll want to apply to. This might seem overwhelming to you, and if it does, I would say that one of the easiest is to start with Amazon. Amazon has one product, and you can only promote one. You can only promote one product at a time. But what you'll need to do is you can make one application and you'll have access to promote all of the products of Amazon. Okay, so Amazon is probably the easiest to start with. Commission Junction has the most programs. eBay is going to be the most difficult to use as well as the most difficult to actually get into. They reject a number or a large number of people to apply to their program for commission. So it's not only is it difficult to get into, it's also takes a little more savvy in order to administer the program on your website. Okay, so hopefully that helps you to find affiliate deals in your actual niche and where you can find them from. What you'll do is, of course, you'll get in and you'll start to look for deals based on your market, and you'll find the right deals to actually promote. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.